Hello everyone, this is Suresh from the ALEX team. My Twitter handle is @SureshSinghN. And today I'll begin recording a complete series of videos of my ALEX Testnet experience. Everything from installing the proper Hero wallet to completing the two tasks of Testnet Phase 1, which are Proof of Work and Bug Report. Proof of Work in this context means that you complete various transactions on ALEX such as borrow, lend, and margin to verify the platform is working as it should. Bug report is where you can report any errors that you are experiencing. This report is crucial for the development team to rectify any bugs identified on the platform. Your assistance in helping find these bugs will help improve the experience that others will have when they use ALEX. I'm recording this video because I really want to encourage and facilitate as many people as possible to test the ALEX platform. The more testers we have, the stronger and more secure ALEX will be. And this is not just in the interest of ALEX, but of the whole Stacks ecosystem and community and Bitcoin as well. ALEX is a critical piece of financial infrastructure that will help many other projects go forward. So I thank you in advance for your interest and patience for contributing towards a new internet built on Bitcoin through Stacks. Everything I am describing here is publicly available on ALEX Medium site. The link to this site will be linked in the video description below. But the address is www.medium.com/AlexGo BTC. That is the screen we are looking at right now. There are two documents on this page that we'll be using as our reference for the next two videos. For our first video, we will look at the document How do I use Hero Wallet and access ALEX Testnet. I will explain in this video how you are to install the Hero Chrome extension wallet and how you can input specific ALEX Testnet address so that your Hero wallet will be linked to the testnet. Don't worry, it's really straightforward. And in the video after that, we will use ALEX Testnet tutorial as the reference document. In this video guide, I will explain how you will connect your Hero wallet to the testnet to receive your tokens along with the various functionality on the platform. Now don't worry, it really is a simple platform to use, and I hope to show you this through the step-by-step instructions videos. Now, my suggestion would be that you open these two documents in your browsers in case you would like to follow along, or you can just watch the video when I explain that. But it is highly recommended that you do use these documents as a reference so it becomes muscle memory for your own experience moving forward. This concludes the introduction. The next video will be installing the Chrome extension of Hero Wallet necessary for the testnet. Thank you.